Use our black tea with red dates, wolfberries, roses, and ginger to make hot milk tea. If you want to drink it, hurry up and learn it. Tea making steps: 20 grams of black tea leaves, 600 milliliters of hot water, steep for 15 minutes. Strain the tea leaves and add 300 grams of ice cubes. 4 grams of red dates, 2 grams of roses, 2 grams of wolfberry, 15 grams of ginger, 350 milliliters of black tea soup. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat to simmer for 2 minutes. After cooking, add 25 grams of cream, 100 grams of milk, and 35 grams of fructose syrup. Heat it up. Easy done. See you next time. Bye.